Welcome, your financial independence viewers, where we're always trying to grow your financial independence. Breaking out another video for y'all today. So, I wanted to go something over in this video stocks that I am looking at buying as we are watching the market to continue to dip. I already have a lot of my positions built out. As I said on my last video, Chewy, I gave the whole reason why I didn't add as much as I should have when I started buying the company, around $40-ish a share. Not related to the video. People are tripping with Holly shares right now. I'm going to come back to this video if everything works out like I think it will with Holly, and I'm going to make another video, like a reaction video to it. So today we're down now negative 2.8%. Lost $1,000 in the air, but I didn't sell my stock, so it's not a loss. So we're at 37,809 in this account. So today I'm going to be going over stocks that I'm looking at if these valuations continue to drop. And yes, if the market does bleed off, continues this week, because think in your head, like the S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow Jones Industrial Average, they're all still pretty high right now. I mean, let's not get that confused. Like, they're all pretty high right now. All-time highs, basically. I mean, down a few percentage points, but they have reached very high levels. So I'm anticipating a good pullback with a lot of these companies I'm looking at. If the S&P or NASDAQ falls 5-6% more, some of these companies could be on sale for 20, 25, 30% off of what they are now. I've got all my margin paid off. I've done that 2 days ago. So right now I'm sitting on a pretty decent pile of cash, and I got about $42,000 and $678 worth of margin. So today, let's get into it. And don't forget, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Let's help grow this small channel, guys. I'm going to post a video sometime next week. We're going to have a whole different background. We're going to keep this. I'm going to have some special features right here. May have a couple lights, making it look cool in the back to keep y'all entertained. So let's get into it. Lemonade stock. It's at $80. This is a screenshot that I'm just going to go through. So it could be lower, could come up quite a bit. I was looking into this stock when it was, because it IPO'd, ran up a little bit, and then it kind of dove back down. And then people kind of caught on to what this company is doing. I was looking at this stock. I think it was around $46, $47 a share. And I mean, we've seen highs of almost $190. So it was $188.30. So now Lemonade, they're getting into car insurance. They're already into pet insurance, renters insurance. They're going after so many markets right here. Think of all the insurance companies right now. Which one's disruptive out of all of them? There's not one besides Lemonade right now. And their customer experience, I love a company that is founded, like their core values is let's make our customers happy. Happy customers make us money, and then they turn around and they give back some of their revenue, some of their, well, when they are profitable, and how much money they do make off of say renters insurance. I want to say it's either 20 or 25% of that actually goes to like charities and giving back to the community. Yes, they could help their top and bottom line by keeping that money, but a company that has core values like that, giving back to the community, their core values is customer service, let's make the customer happy. These are the companies that are going to be around, 30, 40, 50 years. And they're going to be the next Geico's, Progressives, all that good stuff. So that's Lemonade stock. Is trading $5.147 billion market cap. And we have a 52-week range of $44.11, $188.30. Values that came a long way down, and now that they're getting into the car insurance game, $80 is looking intriguing. For me, I'm going to see same thing with Chewy stock, man. I want it to go below $65 a share. I want that market cap to get a little bit lower. That way it's a better risk reward stock. You know, the chances of you losing a bunch of money is low. Like Holion right now that I'm invested in, but I still love the company. And the future reward potential for a stock like this is, I mean, the amount of compounding growth that they're going to have, it's huge. The next one, Array Technologies. So this is a $3.35 billion market cap. It IPO'd around $29, I think, and it ran up to highs of $54.78. And we're basically around the 52-week lows. And yeah, as you see today, it's down 1%. It's not really getting hit as hard as all these other stocks. Guys, this company's profitable. They're sitting at a $3.35 billion market cap. What does this company do? So you have solar panels. Solar panels get energy from the sun. So if the sun's right here, hopefully y'all can see me. The sun comes up noon. You notice how this hand, the solar panels are turning to follow the sun. That way you get all of the light throughout the day to maximize the energy efficiency of these solar panels.
And I mean, when Yahoo Finance is saying something's undervalued, this day and age, it's probably undervalued.
CEO, management team, phenomenal. This company has been around for a while. It's profitable, has tons of revenue coming in. I think analysts are saying around a 10% growth rate this year and next year 8%. That's so sandbagged. Like when analysts find out, especially with Joe Biden's new infrastructure bill that's coming out, this company is going to get so much revenue. The next one, I don't need to explain what this company does. I'm sure all of y'all have heard of Airbnb, and I'm pretty sure all of y'all have at least stayed at one. This is gonna kill the hotel industry in the long term, in my opinion. And you see that with the younger generation. When me and my wife, when we travel, we don't even consider hotel rooms now. We bring our dogs. We got all kinds of. We usually bring our boat. A bunch of like hiking gear, stuff like that. So we just get an Airbnb. It's cheaper than a hotel. You sometimes, most of the time, all the ones that we stayed at, you get your entire house. And the tenant, I guess you would say, for the Airbnb, they're always super nice. They just, anything you need, like just let us know anything that'll make your stay happier, all that good stuff. TPI Composites. Oh man. I was looking in this stock, I think in the $20 range. Y'all just got to take my word for that because I wasn't making YouTube videos back then. And we've seen it go from $14.45 all the way up to $81.36. The market cap, guys, look at the market cap, $1.81 billion. It's saying it's overvalued. It is a revenue company right now. They're not profitable yet. So this company makes, the wind farms with the huge wind turbines that basically make energy from the wind movements in our atmosphere. So they make the actual fan blades. And just like Array Technology is for the tilt motors for the solar panels, this is kind of like the Nike of tennis shoes for those blades. They're well known. They're an awesome company. They actually work really heavy with BP. Upwork Technology. I'm sure most of y'all, if y'all don't know, if y'all haven't heard of Upwork, y'all have heard of Fiverr. You're a work from home stock, so you're doing all these tasks on computer, stuff like that. Like you can work at home. This is an at-home play. I see a lot of these businesses, they're going to realize after they start moving back to their buildings, like, wow, if we were doing, like, we could allow our workers to work from home if they chose to, and we could save so much money. We don't need this 30,000 square foot office building when we could maybe have a 20,000, an 18,000 square foot. We have to pay less for our lease to lease this building out to all of our employees. We have a lot less paper usage, a lot less everything, energy cost. So I could see a lot of businesses moving to Upwork, and I think a lot of people are honestly like, especially with towns getting bigger, a lot of people ain't realizing that or not thinking about that. Especially like California, like Los Angeles and stuff like that. If somebody can do the work that they need to do from home, why would they? Some of these people are traveling an hour or two back and forth to work every single day. Could you imagine how tiring that would be? So the market cap is 5.468 billion. We have a 52-week range, $7.41, all the way up to $63.88. I wasn't looking at this stock when it was in the single digits, even in the low teens, and I wish I was, because I understand this business at a very high level, and I would have been buying very, very heavy. And we have the 1 year target estimate at $68 basically, which is a pretty good rise from here. So don't forget, comment, sub, like the video. Throw a comment down there below. So I was thinking about, I'm going to be covering all the stocks obviously that I own for earnings, but let me know some of the stocks if y'all agree with some of the ones I put up here. Or throw some in the comments. I'll look into whatever stock y'all put in there, and if I like it, I'll feature it, and I'll say who put me on the stock basically. And with that, your financial independence viewers, have a great day.